windy. Thought, hey, before the drive back tomorrow, let's just go top up now. The petrol station isn't even open and it's 7. This one is always up for a little adventure. So before the unforgettable birthday week continues, we just wanted to say a massive thank you to Omaze for partnering up with us on this video to give away an incredible trip to Hawaii. I'll give you the details later on, but if you wanted to know now, link is in the description below. Alright, Hunter. Dad still doesn't really know what he's doing, but I feel like it's my dad duty to teach you how to run this camper van. You up for that? Alright, so we need to first of all disconnect us from the campsite. Alrighty, so we need to disconnect the grey water. Switch that off. Pull that out. Electrical plug. You gonna help Dad turn off the tap? Yeah? Yeah? Alright. Thanks, buddy. Can you give Dad a hand? You gonna remember all of this? You doing it tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Western Australia. If you missed the last episode, it was amazing. Jess surprised me with a camper van for my 30th birthday, and we just kind of drove all the way up to Exmouth and had one of the best moments of 2020, swimming with humpback whales. It was so incredible. But seeing as we're usually not at home for my birthday, my parents said, you have to be home. It's your 30th. So today's big journey is to get as close to Perth as possible. We're driving 8 hours today to at least put a little bit of a dent. Because if you don't know, Western Australia, it's humongous.
A lot of you guys have been asking us how Hunter's been going with the long drives, and she's been going so good. I recommend if you're going on a road trip with little baby, what we do is we just team the driving up with her nap. So if it's nap time, we drive, and then when it's not nap time, we come play in the car. I've been singing her nursery rhymes. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. And we've been trying to stop off at some like nice places for a lookout, and we're really in the middle of nowhere right now, so you know the options are, a lot of it is just flat ground, but we did find this little sign that said lookout. We're like, cool, so we've come out here just chilling with Hunter, and Steven's like, oh, you know what, let's fly the drone, see what it looks like from the air. And I feel like someone really had some time on their hands because we have this beautiful view.
Oh my, windy. Woo! Try to show you guys the view, but it is so windy out here.
Waited for forever, darling, and I know you've waited too.
Just pulled over at a little truck stop, jumped into the caravan. Jess is going to get us some lunch. This one wanted a bit of a stretch, a little bit of a lie down out of her car seat. She did so well. I think we managed to drive for 4 hours. So yeah, about 4 hours. And you did good, didn't you? Yeah? You trying to get into Dad's chips? We have done such an insane road trip. Just crossed over 2,000 kilometers today. Realized we were insanely low on fuel, and I thought, hey, before the drive back tomorrow, let's just go top up now. This town is so unbelievably quiet. The petrol station isn't even open and it's 7. Wow, you know, this is a sleepy town when the BP isn't even open yet. Also, just realized, went through all our food today. There's one place open, and I think they close very soon. I'm just going to see if we can get some sort of takeaway so we can eat some food tonight.
Caravan, Shanika speaking.
Hi, I was wondering if I could please order some takeaway. Alrighty. Just what we're wanting. The only place open right now at 7 o'clock at night is... What are you doing? Is a fish and chip store. I am so happy. If there's anything that's going to be open, it's fish and chips. And got a little extra something for Jess because it was a long day today.
Yes, fish and chip boy.
How do you know?
Hello.
Delivery.
Yes, and baby's asleep.
Oh, yay. I have one more.
Today was a long one. Hunter did so well though, by the way. We were very nervous because it was quite a long drive because we need to get home tomorrow, and she did it. Sneaking a chip while waiting for Steve. Yum. This is like so much food. What did you order?
I just ordered a snack for 2.
Last night in the van.
It's been good.
What do you think about living in a van?
Yeah, I've loved it. It's been good.
I feel like it sparked your want to travel around Australia even more. Hey?
Uh-huh.
Like, imagine if we had a month to do just what we did.
That would have been so good. I
Like,
think...
there's so many spots that I wanted to go to. I just had to get you up there for the Humpback.
It's been a while since I felt this way. The night was long and the sky was grey, and I wondered if I would always feel alone.
So we've woken up bright and early here in Caravan, and we thought while we're here we may as well go check out the national park. And one new thing that's here is the Skywalk. We've never seen it before, but it's meant to be amazing views of the national park. You excited to see it?
I think someone just woke up from her nap, to be honest.
Yeah, she's very confused. She was like, what? Not a long drive? We're here already?
We actually came here about 2 years ago, and there's this beautiful nature's window. That's definitely the highlight. But
Bit of a hike with a baby, I would say. So I think the Skywalk's the next best thing. And I already see it. This looks epic.
this one is always up for a little adventure.
I sit in my car outside restaurants and bars, reading about what's inside.
Oh, wow. Remember when you came here last time and then you abseiled?
Yes, and
That was
just
so
down there, I
cool.
think.
Yeah, I remember.
Use my own mind. I should call my friends, but I read their posts instead.
Alrighty. Now it's the big drive home. I think, 6 hours to Perth?
Yes, 6 hours to Perth. And we'll be home.
We'll be home. If you guys remember last year, we teamed up with Omaze to give one of you an incredible trip on the Orient Express. Well, they're back again this year, and they want to give one of you an opportunity to win a trip for 4 to the Hawaiian island of your choice. You get to enjoy a week-long vacation on your dream Hawaiian island. Yep, if you win, you get to pick from Big Island, Maui, Oahu, or Kauai, plus $2,000 to make the most of your trip. From surfing lessons to kayak adventures, plus this also includes your flight as well as putting you up in a 4-star hotel. If you guys remember, Hawaii was the very first spot that we landed when we started flying the nest. Plus, we went back again right before having Hunter, so it would always hold a special place in our heart. So make sure you head to omaze.com/flying the nest for your chance to enter, with each donation going towards an incredible cause.
Guess who made it home in time for their birthday?
Yes!
Stephen is officially the birthday boy today, which means
Big 3-0.
another envelope.
Oh, do you want to help Dad open the Christmas card?
This one's from Hunter and me.
Oh, is it? Oh, do you want to hang on to that? Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Bobby. I love you. Aw,
I should
thank
have written
you.
we love you.
Yeah, where's your card?
All right, Hunter, do you want to give this one to Dad?
16. That's the day of the birthday.
Ooh.
You timed that quite well.
Oh yeah, you should probably tell people what these envelopes are if they didn't watch the last vlog.
Oh yeah, if you missed the last vlog when Jess kind of surprised me on the ultimate birthday week, she's been giving these little cards. There's 30 of them.
Yes.
There's 30 of them, and I find out something new every day. Oh, and she's decided to put them all into Christmas cards. Shall we do brekkie at your fave spot?
Shall we do brekkie at your face spot?
That sounds good.
Shall we do brekkie at our face spot? Hello. Someone's gate crashed the party.
Always. Oh, this is for you. Avocado on toast.
Birthday brekkie. Happy birthday, Stevie.
Thanks. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, of course.
1, 2. Open your eyes. What do you think is happening, Stephen?
Chef Jessie making an appearance.
Open these.
I can guess what it is. Tonight? Oh, my family's coming around for a fam bam dinner party.
Yes, and there's a very important question in the second envelope.
This one doesn't just have a card, it has a pen. It says, is it a choice? Dinner and dessert.
You have to put in the card, what do you want me to cook you all for dinner, and what do you want me to organise for your dessert?
And wow, I am such a bad handwriter.
What do you want?
Lasagna
Okay.
and birthday cake.
Okay. Any flavors?
Oh, carrot.
Okay, done.
Literally was about to watch Jez cook, and a birthday present, I think, came in the post, and I think I know who it's from. The Grin series always send these incredible little edible kind of blooms, I think they're called, like flowers. Your favorite fake Canadians would like to wish you a very happy 30th birthday. We hope you have an awesome day. We miss you all very much. Love the G's.
They're fake Canadian because they're Australians living in Canada, by the way.
Oh. Oh, it's like a whole...
It's like a hamper.
Oh, from the Margaret River Chocolate Factory.
Oh my gosh, yum, chocolate pretzels. Oh my gosh, how cool is that?
A chocolate 30th? That's cool.
So cute. Wait, you need to show this better.
This is
So
from like,
cute.
if you've seen any of our million vlogs of us going down south to Margaret River.
This is like the place we always go to, and we always go to the chocolate factory. There's the 30,
Thanks, guys.
hundreds
Oh,
and thousands.
what's this? This feels like liquid.
Yum, chocolate licorice.
Oh,
I love
Pick it
chocolate
up.
licorice.
This is like...
What is that? Oh, it's the thing that
Oh.
makes it cold.
I'm thinking it's like...
We're like, what?
I was thinking
It's
it's
the
like...
frozen bag. Chef Jess has entered the building, and do we all remember for my birthday, Chef Stephen? Was that where Chef Stephen was born?
It was, yeah.
The chaos in this kitchen that night
Cooking Indian.
was crazy, and this little one was in my belly at the time, and now she's here so she can help.
Shoe Chef Hunter.
Sous Chef. She always
Chef.
said, Sous Chef Hunter is here to help. I am making lasagna, a Jess version, where I, instead of using pasta sheet, I use vegetables. Bit of a healthy lasagna here. All right, let's do this.
Don't you sing those blues, don't you sing those silly blues. I know
So I had to fire my sous chef my shoe chef because she got a little smelly and then she got a little sleepy, so she's currently left the building. But I have made all of the elements for my lasagna. I've got my tomato sauce, I've got my vegetable layers, and the most important bit, the white sauce. How good is lasagna white sauce? And now I'm going to turn this into lasagna.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! It's so good to see you on the day.
It's done. Homemade.
That looks good, Jess.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephen. Happy birthday to you.
I forgot it.
Hooray!
Hooray! It was so cool. 1 year ago, we were giving you guys the cake to say that we were having Hunter.
And it was the exact type of cake. A carrot cake from the cheesecake shop. And now she's here.
Love the candles.
Can you help Dad blow up the candles?
Ready?
Steady.
Girlfriend!
We need some help. Where's my breath gone?
You've got too many girlfriends.
What? That's impossible.
I need some help.
He's a jolly good fellow. He's a jolly good fellow. Happy birthday.
Thanks for coming.
Happy birthday. 30 today.
Okay, so we are now at Ashley and Heidi's house and we've sent the boys off to go to the movies.
I'm in the car with Ashley. It's just us. And I've been told to open up this envelope. It says, give to Stephen. Do you know what's in this?
Nope.
Alright. Want to see a movie?
Little does Stephen know that he's actually going to go and play video games in the cinema for 2 hours, which is pretty cool.
To Steve, I lied. We aren't watching a movie. Instead, we've hired out the whole cinema to ourselves. We brought the PS4, plenty of snacks, and no kids. We're gonna spend the next 2 hours playing video games on the big screen. Really? Oh,
Yes.
That's so cool. Oh, that's so awesome. Wait, I didn't bring anything.
Well, I brought everything we
Oh,
need.
you did?
I did, yeah.
That's so cool. That's such a cool birthday.
But we are setting up a surprise birthday party that Stephen doesn't know about. Hugo, what's the theme of the party? I've only seen a video of this, I haven't seen it in person yet. So this is the theme of Stephen's birthday.
Yeah.
You haven't seen this yet? It sounds
so good.
Wait. Open your eyes. Oh my god, you did so good! That's so cool. The ice?
Yeah, it's sugar. It's all
Oh
edible.
wow, that is so good. Stephen is going to love this. We like ordered them specifically because no one seems to make Bundaberg themed party supplies for some reason. Oh, that's so good! Oh, that's so good! Oh my gosh, this is so good. Yeah, it's Bundaberg ginger beer themed.
Steven.
What's he doing?
You sound it right. Like, this is all the way.
He's so chill.
Alright, just we go.
Alright, let's see.
I guess it has to go at the top.
We did it. It's 3.
Oh, is it a 3? And who's 3?
I am 3.
You are 3.
Got all the snacks just here. Of course, you had to get some popcorn. Best present ever. This is so cool. It's literally just us. Got some Tony Hawks going, and what, we have it for 2 hours?
2 hours, just us on the big screen.
This is so cool. I was not expecting this.
Alright, it's not a ginger beer party without ginger beer scones.
Yeah. The Papa's.
Alright. Open the door for a surprise. Oh, what have you guys done? What have you guys done? Is that a Bundaberg? By the way, how did you even get this done?
Have you seen also the balloons?
Oh, I didn't even see the balloons.
So what's the theme of our party?
It's a Bundaberg party. This is so cool.
Bundaberg ginger beer scones.
Really? Yeah. Did you make those?
Sure did.
We just did.
You made this? But it's got like fake ice and stuff. How did you make this? You literally did all of this.
Yeah, I did this morning. I didn't do it while we had the kids.
That's so impressive.
Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
So just real quick, make sure you head to omaze.com/flying this for your chance to win a tropical holiday for 4 to your Hawaiian island of choice.